Ooh, Lord. Ooh. Yeah. Tell me where you come from, Chronics. Whoa. I'm not from around here. Yeah, where I come from. Hey. This is the remix, man. Zing fans from I was a baby. Wrap up in a nappy. Me never ever like to see me mommy unhappy. So me go married to the money under a canopy. Can me believe say every black man can happy. Because when me love jewelry that they love things. Me and Teflon fi have house we kill up on the hill. Grandma want the house we build. When me say ill, me a talk about close to jail boy. I mean, I know about Jack. When it comes to money, me say me know about that. And if I JSE, me say me sure about stocks. And if I make it in a life, can I sure about that? Whoa, boy, where I come from, everyone's happy. So me call Wall Street and tell him for say, go and go tell Wall Street that I'm coming soon. Been dreaming about money all afternoon because making money is always on my mind. Ooh, Lord. Go down the west pan a piece of land and farm the highest, then that's the plan because making money is always on my mind. So from here this the motherland, that mean this your father. But I like to build a house, you know this a barber. Drive round in the whole of Africa and stretch me until where we get the youth and send this your ask for. Poverty me curse it, me pocket weak until me have to nurse it. So me a go also try entrepreneurship, cause me have to sweeten me account like Hershey's. I say, where I come from, everyone's happy. But them bring we beyond, don't I carry beyond. Take we to a place where everyone's crying. Crying, whoa, whoa, where I come from, everyone's happy. Ooh, Lord, Walsham, where we come from, everyone's smiling. But they bring me to a place where people are born. Hey, ooh, Lord. While she fire bring me in a the studio and say voice no chronics. So me lift up my voice understand it. People ask if me dep on chronic. Them fi know say ya steam and nobody can separate me from it. I saw we do it and Babylon panic. When time them see we Babylon get upset and start vomit. You where I come from, full up a gunman, but everyone I laugh because the little youth them have food in a them lunch pan. But Babylon come down and them bring the guns down, and the youth them get shoot down. Hey, that's how we do it every day in a studio, write and tweet every day. People say Chronics couldn't so you stay. Me tell them I saw me born. Hey. And them say you would stop the noise, but me now stop the noise. Cause me love sing and raise up my voice. I make the world hear, and every boy and every girl hear. Whether you're Indian with curl ear or ease. Sick! Yeah. Chronics.